Okay, next we're going to demonstrate extracting with the Hydro-X Extreme Extractor along with the Hydro-X Vacuum Pack. We went ahead and pre-saturated the carpet and the pad. You can see that this is absolutely full of water. And it's actually over and above the surface. That's okay, so long the height of, or the depth of the water is no more than about 1 inch above the surface of the carpet. This extraction table does not have tack strips, so again we're going to use our clamping device to hold the carpet in place while we extract. Okay, next, when using the vacuum pack, it's very important to use some sort of defoamer. Old carpet as well as new carpet will create some sort of foam that will build up in the lower chamber of the vacuum pack. It can make its way out of the exhaust. So there's two types, there's liquid and there's crystal. We don't care which one you use, just so long that you use it. Just take, if you're using a crystal, just sprinkle it into the carpet. If you're using liquid, spray it right onto the carpet. Next, we need to go through a priming procedure, and I'll do that very slowly so that you understand how important it is and what happens when you do it. So the first thing to do is put the end of the hose into a sanitary sewer. And for demonstration purposes, we have it in a bucket. This should go into a sanitary sewer. So what to do is keep the pump off, turn on each of the vacuum motors, and then we're going to roll back and forth about 3 feet each way. And if you notice on the sight glass, there's a full line. Once the water reaches that full line, we'll turn the vacuum motors off and then turn the pump on. So now, as you can see, the water level is at the full line. And now what we'll do, we'll go ahead and turn on the pump out. You can see there's a lot of air that came out of the hose, and some of that air came out of the pump. Once you have a good flow of water, you can turn off the pump. Because of the check valve, the hose will stay primed. Once the unit is primed, turn on the vacuum motors, turn on the pump, and continue extracting. So next, just like in the video showing the extractor with a truck mount, we're going to do a squeeze test on the pad to determine how many passes we need to do. So we'll go ahead and unclamp our carpet, pull the carpet back, pull the pad back, and we'll give it a good squeeze. And we see there's some water that comes out from the pad. So we'll fold back the carpet and we'll reclamp it. So far we did about 2 passes. Remember that this carpet was fully saturated. And because we know that it failed the squeeze test, we'll go ahead and make another pass. Okay, so now that equals 4 passes. So we'll go ahead and do a squeeze test again. We'll pull back our carpet, pull back the pad, give it a good squeeze, and you can tell now that there's just a little bit of water that will come out. Perhaps this carpet will take maybe 5 passes. Different carpets will require a different amount of passes in order to extract the most amount of water. That will be determined on the different jobs that you may do. So we'll go ahead and finish extracting this side of the table. And we'll check it one more time. And now we have as much water as you're going to get out using the Hydro X along with the VacPac.